Where am I right now? Somewhere in the Himalayas, in a powerful energy vortex, in a powerful energy zone, in a powerful electromagnetic field where there is abundance of negative ions. And soon I will be showing you how negative ions has improved my energy, my power in just one day. I arrived yesterday in Nepal and I'm going to share with you an extremely powerful experience that I experienced on the way to reach here. Most of you who are going through Kundalini Awakening don't know the power of Kundalini. Kundalini is the life giver. Kundalini is the most powerful life force. Kundalini is the divine power itself which wants you to live life. And when that Kundalini is embodied in me, I become powerful. When I come to such places, I just soak the highest prana, the highest energies, divine energies of the universe, the direct access to the sky, the direct access to the cosmic powers, the direct access to the sun, the direct access to this abundance of nature behind me. And what more do you need to process Kundalini? And that is why my Kundalini was guiding me to come to Nepal in the lap of Himalayas. This is a Kathmandu Valley, the area or the region, not geographically, that you know politically as the capital of Nepal. For me, this place is more about the divine energies that it has, and that is why Kundalini wanted to bring me to the place of highest prana, where I get the highest prana to process Kundalini in me. Every day the power gets downloaded in me. And when I am in the cities, I was suffocating due to the pollution and the population of the cities. And so are you suffocating there. So what happened yesterday when I was in the airplane? I was just resting. It was a 3 hours journey from wherever I had started, and somehow the Kundalini in me showed me the signals and the signs of its presence. I will be showing you this beautiful nature around me, and I will be sharing with you what happened exactly, because you need to know how Kundalini guides, how Kundalini provides itself what she needs. I was resting and it was like I was just doing my sadhana in the airplane. And what happened? Suddenly the airplane was in chaos. The airplane was in extreme chaos. The airplane did not know the solution of a problem. And I will tell you the problem. What I did now is to keep my attention with myself. I was being observed by one mind, and to distract him, I just approached this. I brought you to an unknown place, and this is what your Kundalini wants. So let me tell you what Kundalini wanted me to do. I was resting, I was doing my sadhana, and suddenly there was chaos in the airplane. My team suddenly woke me up and asked me that I am required somewhere. A lady around 55 to 60 years of age was about to die. She was in panic because she was a diabetic patient and she had not taken anything, not eaten anything since morning, and she was on insulin. And something happened in her system, her brain stopped working, her heart stopped working, and she was about to die. And then the announcement came, is there any nurse or doctor in the medical doctor in the airplane who can help her with this plane? And the flight timing was around 3 hours for the total journey, and it was only 1 hour. After 1 hour, this incident happened, and now 2 hours more in the air. There was not a single person in the airplane to know exactly what to do with her. and she was panicking with fear, with lots of fear about death, that if something happens to her, she will die immediately. That was the fear energy in her, apart from what has physically happened to her body, what has happened to her system. And then I came in the picture to rescue her, to bring her to life. And I am teaching you the technique, what brought her to life. It was so extremely powerful. I knew it, and that is why I implemented on her. The technique is, when you cannot inhale life, when you cannot inhale fresh air, when you cannot inhale the life force coming from inside, you just exhale out. And that is the technique that I implemented on her. I made her, I touched her belly here, and I made her exhale. And how she did it, she was in lying down position, almost in reclining position, and she started doing like this. Only few 1 or 2 seconds of exhalation she started with, and slowly she could do up to 5 seconds, up to 10 seconds, and slowly it went up to 10 seconds, 20 seconds. When she reached up to 20 seconds, she felt life is coming to her. When she started exhaling completely, then she came to know that she will not die now. And then my Shaktipat power, my energy transmission, I healed her heart chakra from the front, from the back, from the head. I pulled her soul out of the fear mode. I pulled her, I changed the perspective with which she was working. And in the meantime, she had glucose in the form of some orange juice, in the form of some, the power of me expressed itself then and there. And in real time, I saw the application of Kundalini power flowing through me. In real time, she saved the life of a person dying. And that is why I always say that if someone is on the deathbed, I can bring you out, I can pull you out only if you are connected to me. I healed her completely by hugging her, by empowering her, by coaching her. I told her, do not fear, do not panic, you are not going to die. Why? Because I checked her energetic field. She was not going to die. Because I have the clairvoyant destiny reading power, I knew that she is not going to die now. And I am the one who is going to save her. And when I assured her with my powerful reading that you are not going to die, I am there to save you, that assurance, powerful assurance from a powerful person saved her. She got a jerk in her heart chakra as if, and the first sigh of relief happened. And all this that I am telling you happened during a duration of almost 1.5 hours. After 1.5 hours, she took some rest. During that period, no one was there. Only some people in the group in which she was traveling came there to drink water, to make her drink water, take some rest. But rest of the thing I did. I lied down on the airplane floor, hugging her, because you know how much space you have. Why I am telling all of this? This means that this Kundalini power in me, the life force and the powerful divine energy doesn't want you to die. It wants you to live the life, because you have a beautiful life ahead. Most of you die because of not taking breath seriously. I am making you take your breath seriously. Take the initiative to focus on your breath, and more about it I can tell you in which condition you are. This event moved me, this event moved my team, and we came to know that we have a bigger purpose, and that is why I am on a mission to save life, and that is why I am here to live life my way. More to come from Nepal, more to come from the Himalayas. I am going to explore and make you feel the abundance of living life in abundance. Thank you and see you soon. Bye-bye.